Hello, I am Eyüp Mahmutoruz from Moldex3D EMEA team, and today I'm going to present optimized plastic part designs with Moldex3D SYNC. First of all, I'm going to introduce manufacturing process. Then I'm going to talk about Moldex3D SYNC, what it is, and we are going to talk about CAD design verification, supported versions, and at the final, I'm going to show a demo and case study. Let's start with the challenges. Nowadays, product and mold become more and more complicated. With more complicated products, we're still willing to have low prices and decreasing period, which means we are trying to decrease the cycle time to get more products in one day. Also, companies try to keep market competition with the best product quality. So if your product is not the best design, you will spend a lot of unnecessary costs during the modeling process, such as increase the time to launch the market, a lot of tooling costs, material loss, and low product quality. And the final, we can say you're gonna waste time and waste cost. So why we need CAE analysis for injection molding? We can say three different phenomena in this area, like complicated physical phenomena. So you don't know what's going on in the mold, the complicated material property, and complicated geometric feature. Also, for the best quality part, we say we need to care about four different things, like part design, mold design, process selection, and material selection. So in Moldex3D, you can choose several materials to do analysis. Also, from the results, you can see if your part design is good enough to produce the mold. Also, you can choose proper proper process selection. Okay, what is CAD, K, and CAM? First of all, first two letters C and A stand for computer aided. So we use computer to do design or to do engineering or manufacture the part.